Hi friends, it's Dr. Chelsea Azarcon. I'm here for William, and today I want to talk to you about 4 things in your pantry that are medicines. So first up, we've got apple cider vinegar, which you've probably heard of before. Apple cider vinegar is an awesome digestive aid. It also lowers blood glucose after a meal, which is really helpful in any scenario where we have blood sugars are too high, insulin resistance is present. It's also a really great antimicrobial, and bonus, it helps with weight loss. So I tend to recommend this to patients 1 tablespoon 3 times a day before a meal, and that way you're going to get most of the medicinal benefits out of it. Next up, we've got turmeric. So turmeric is a really wonderful spice that most of us know about. It's a great anti-inflammatory, it's a great antioxidant. The trick with turmeric is that in order to get the medicinal benefits of it, it has to be dissolved in fat. Otherwise, it has really poor absorption. So my favorite ways to do that would be either in a curry or a golden milk, which usually have coconut milk and coconut oil, some really good fats in them to bring out the active portion of turmeric. Both of those also taste really great with black pepper, which helps increase turmeric absorption. So I like to use this whenever there's inflammation on board, whether that be in the brain, gut health issues, autoimmune issues. Some practitioners even use it as adjunctive to cancer care. Next up, we have cinnamon. So we're all familiar with cinnamon, right? We know this is a great spice. Cinnamon extracts are actually used by some people to help lower blood glucose in diabetes. So eating cinnamon on your food is not going to reverse your diabetes, but it is a nice addition to food to give extra metabolic balancing, and sometimes it can help satisfy those sweet cravings that we often get when there's insulin problems on board, because it has that nice aromatic flavor to it. So there's cinnamon. Last up, we have garlic. So garlic is really one of my favorite medicinal foods. There's actually been studies showing that people who were eating, I think it was 6 garlic cloves a day, had lower issues with cold and flu. Now most people are going to prefer to take their garlic in a capsule rather than eat 6 cloves a day, right? But that goes to show us how powerful the antimicrobial actions of garlic are. Garlic is also great for the cardiovascular system, so I frequently use garlic capsules in my practice for patients who have elevated cholesterol or other elevated lipids, and I want to slow plaque progression for them. Garlic is also an amazing antioxidant, so a lot of times when we have problems with cardiovascular, there's a lot of oxidative damage in the vessels, and it can help buffer that. So start looking around in your pantry. There's more medicinal foods than you would expect.